Hi children, all of you, good afternoon. Please on your videos. Keep on your videos. Class is 1 and what is our subject? Environmental studies. ENVI, ROI, EEL, PAL, environmental STUDIES studies. Environmental studies. All of you on your videos, Nana. Katta Hasini, Dikshit. Shall I start the class? Shall I start the class? Okay, very good. So, all of you take out your textbook now. So, in previous class, we learned French lesson forwards. Yes? So, today I will explain bits. So, page number 55. All of you open your page number 55. Page number. In your textbook, page number 55. Open it. So, see children, in the 55 page, so what is given here? Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. So here is given in the box some words given. So what is that one? I can dash with a pen. The words are umbrella, me, enjoy, ride, and cycling. So these words given in the box. So which one is suitable for this fill in the blank? So I can dash with a friend. What do we do with a friend? I can ride. I can ride with a friend. So same, second one also as is. I can dash with a friend. I can dash with a friend. I can cycling. I can cycling with a friend. I can ride with a friend. I can cycling with a friend. Okay? Write down all of you. Okay, what is next? Third one. A friend. A friend can meet so much to that. A friend can mean so much to me. Very good, Satvik Kumar. So much to me. So you write me, me. A friend can mean so much to me. Next, fourth one. I share my dash with my friend. When it rains. I share my dash with my friend when it Rain. So when it rains, what we use? What he shared? Huh? Sundarakunda Varshit. Very good, Koya Guru Nandika. Chidrakunda Varshit. Huh?
Umbrella.
Yes. Umbrella. So I share my umbrella when it rains. Fifth one. Nitin goes for Nitin goes for dash with his friend. With his friends. Ah. Nitin goes for dash with his friends. So what is that next one? Nitin goes for cycling. Nitin goes for cycling with his friends. Okay. What is the first one? I can ride with a friend. I can ride with a friend. I can enjoy with a friend. I can enjoy with a friend. So second one, observe and all of you. Second one. So before what you wrote? Yes, yes. So I can enjoy with a friend. So second one you write enjoy. Third one, a friend can mean so much to me. A friend can mean so much to me. So third one is me. Me. You write M-E, me. Fourth one, I share my umbrella with my friend when it rains. I share my umbrella with my friend when it rains. So fourth one, you write umbrella. Umbrella, umbrella. So fifth one, Nitin goes for cycling with his friends. Nitin goes for cycling with his friends. So he goes for cycling with his friends. So first one is ride. Second one, check once one all of you. Second one is enjoy. Third one is me. Fourth one is umbrella. Fifth one is cycling. Right on all of you. Completed? On your videos, first of all of you on your videos. Sai Kritik, Vijay Kumar, Nikat, Ganta Vikshita, Sitrabali. Okay. Completed? Completed children, Chalera? Lekshana. Completed ra? Okay, next bit is multiple choice. Next bit is what? Multiple choice. multiple choice question. So what is that one? We can dash with a friend. First one. We can dash. So what is that first one? We can dash with a friend. First A is talk. B dry. C cry. D all of these. So which one is the correct answer? Yeah, correctly, Nandita. Very good. So we can talk with a friend. So A is the correct answer. So option A is correct answer. So you keep right mark in option A. Next, second one. So you keep tick mark in A option, Anna. We can share second one. We can share A and dash with friends. With friends when it rains. Just now completed. When it rains. So we can share umbrella. So first one is cars. Second B is scooter. C is flowers. D is umbrella. Yes, which one is correct? So option D. Umbrella is, yeah, good Sandeep. Option D. So you keep right mark in option D. D. Umbrella. Umbrella box. Option D. You keep right mark in option D. A is cars. B is scooters. C is flowers. So D is umbrella. So option D is the correct answer. Next, to dash plays with them. Dash plays with them. Who plays with them? Who plays with them? Sakshi. Sakshi plays with them. Option B, Rajat. Rajat plays with them. Or option C, Meeta. Meeta plays with them. Option D, Nitin. So, which is the correct answer? Yeah, very good, Satvik Kumar. So, Nitin plays with them. So, again, option D is the correct answer. So, option D, Nitin. So, in your lesson also mentioned his name, Nitin, and Rajat also. So, who Nitin best friend is who? Rajat. Rajat and Nitin, these two are best friends. Fourth one, I can also dash with a friend. Option A, L. Option B, burn, B-U-R-N, burn. Option C, turn, T-U-R-N, turn. Option D, learn, L-E-A-R-N, learn. So which is the correct? I can also earn with a friend, burn with a friend, turn with a friend, or learn with a friend. I can learn with a friend. I can also learn with a friend. So again, option D is the correct answer. Learn. So we learn something from our friends. Yes. Fifth one. A friend. A friend dash is a friend. A friend dash is a friend indeed. So option A in home. Option B. Option B in need. Option C in loneliness. In loneliness. And option D in crowd. Satvik Kumar. What is the answer? You raise your hand. Unmute yourself. What is the answer? Say
Need friend.
first.
D.
Yeah.
Indeed.
Very good. Very good. In need. So a friend in need is a friend indeed. So option B is correct answer. Very good. Option B is the correct answer. So you keep right mark in option B box. Okay, children. Schedule completed. Shriman. Lakshana. Shivani, this is not your class. Nandita, completed? Okay, shall I write children? We can talk with a friend. Second one is we can share an umbrella with a friend when it rains. Next, Nitin plays with them. I can also learn. You can also learn with a friend, and a friend in need is a friend indeed. Okay, children. Next is true or false. True or false. So what is that first one? We should never make a friend. We should never make a friend. So no need friend, no need say. It is correct. It is correct. Ravi Prakash. Harsha. What they said, you don't need friends said. It is correct. No, we want friends. Yes? So it is false. So you keep the class now. We should should never make a friend. It is wrong. Yes, very good. Very good, Nandita. Yeah. So make too many friends. Make too many friends. Make too many friends. More friends. Make more friends? No. Make only few friends. So this is also wrong. Third one. Make only a few close friends. Third one. Make only a few. Make only a few close friends. Yes, let's now say that. Make too many friends. So it is wrong. So what is the correct? Make only a few close friends. So it is correct only. Make only a few friends, not more friends. Fourth one, knitting place. Knitting place in school and at home with his friends. With his friends. Knitting place in school and at home with his friends. Is correct or wrong? Correct. Very good. Very good, Nandita. Dikshit, unmute yourself. It is correct or wrong? Okay, say. This is
Wrong.
wrong sentence. It is wrong.
Correct.
Correct. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct. Knitting place in school and at home with his friends. So it is a correct answer. So you keep right mark in this box. Fifth one. We can walk and talk. We can walk and talk. We can walk and talk with our friends. We can talk. We can walk and talk with our friends. This is a correct answer or this is correct or wrong? Ravi. Unmute yourself. Ah?
Wrong. Wrong.
This is wrong.
Wrong.
Is this wrong sentence?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
No. Correct. Correct.
Next, who wants it? Shajad. Shajad. Unmute yourself. What happened, Shajad? Unmute yourself, boy. This sentence is correct or wrong? We can walk and talk with our friends.
Right.
Right. Yes. Abhinav. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
We can walk and talk with our friends. It is correct or wrong?
Correct.
Correct.
True.
True. Very good. Yes, children. We can walk and talk with our friends. It is correct only. Yes. So you keep right mark. Means it is true. Excellent. We can talk and walk with our friends only. Yes. Yes. Can you talk with your friend? Yes. Okay. Shall I wrap, children? Next, last one. This is small bit only. Match the following. So, see column A. This side column B. Oh, only one is there. So, first one is what? Friends are. Second one is a friend in need. Third one, make a few knitting. Fourth one is knitting. Fifth one is friendship. So this is given the small a. What is that small a? Plays with his friends. Plays with his friends. Option B, friends. Option C, always helpful. Option D, an immortal story. E is a friend in need. Is a friend in need. Indeed. So here given this one, match the following. This is column A and column B. So what is that? Friends are always helpful. Always helpful. So option C. Friends are always helpful. Second one, a friend in need. A friend in need. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So option E. You can listen. Next, make a few friends. Make a few friends. Option B, third one. Next, knitting. Play with his friends. Just now completed these bits. These bits. Next, friendship and immortal story. Immortal story. Option D. First is option C. Friends are always helpful. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Make a few friends. Knitting plays with his friends. Friendship and immortal story. C E B A D. Okay, children? So complete your textbook bits, Nana. Friends lesson book text bits complete and complete workbook also. Up to friends lesson. Complete your textbook bits all the from up to friends lesson and workbook also. Okay, already I gave hard words. So tomorrow I will give the question and answers. So all of you be ready with your fair notes, children. Okay? So time is up. So complete your textbook bits. Thank you.